Alright, we're out here at our favorite honey hole, and my wife won a couple of lures from Texas John Fishing, and we're gonna have ourselves a lipless crankbait challenge. And I guess I'll let you pick first.
Okay. I'm gonna go with the silver one. Imitate a shad, maybe.
And I'm gonna go with that one. Alright, let's get him tied on, and what's the loser gonna do? Push-ups? Loser does 10 push-ups.
Okay.
Alright, let's get him tied on.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
What? Get a bite? So we might want to move. That's a fish! I got a fish! You see that, baby? You see that? First fish, Dad. How do you like them apples? Huh? It wasn't a branch. I don't want to get myself hooked. This guy's moving around.
Yeah, be careful with that, 'cause
This is like my personal best. Look at that beaut. You see that, guys? That's how you catch a fish. My dad's gonna have to do about 10 push-ups after this day. Perfect. Their mouths are kind of red. Let's get a good release on this guy.
come out there a little bit. You'll be alright. There you go.
Okay, we are still doing the challenge. I lost the lipless crankbait, but we are going to use a crankbait that does have a lip now. I'm still ahead of my dad by one fish. That fish I just caught, and he hasn't caught any yet. Well, he hasn't caught one yet because, well, we all know I'm the beast at fishing, so.
Oh, like a couple maybe. Do you count as a fish if I hook you? Alright, 5's all you're getting, buddy.
Thought we agreed on 10.
Well, I can't do 10.
Oh. You guys just saw my dad, he done 5 push-ups. And I just won the challenge. It was like the second cast maybe. I caught a nice, maybe a 1 or 2 pounder bass. And so I won the challenge today. Dad lost, slayed some fish, had a good day. And kids, don't forget, always pick up your trash before you leave.
Have you